Hi, you're watching RideBMX.com. My name's Hucker, and this is my video bike check. I'm riding a Redline device frame, the new 2008 model. It's 20.5. The Redline device cranks, forks, slam bars, redneck light stem, Redline seat, original Primo seat post clamp, keeping it real, Primo back wheel, Demolition front wheel, Odyssey $1 million sprocket, and Hombre brakes, and a Dirty Harry lever. I'm riding a Primo V-Monster back tire and a Rubin front tire, and S&M 101 pedals. I'm riding a 25/9 gear ratio. I have one peg on right now because I got a new back wheel and just never took the front peg off. The only modification I really do to my bike is cut the bars a little bit and the fork. I'm not too particular about the weight on my bike. I like it somewhat light, but it doesn't really matter to me. I get new bikes or parts whenever I scratch them a lot or dent them or break them. I like riding trails the most and skate park, but lately for the past 2 months I've been riding trails every day. I like it clean and dialed, but I've had this one for a little while and I've been riding trails every day, so it's starting to wear and tear on it. The most parts I get through on my bike are pedals and seats. I prefer to have my back wheel slammed, but the chain kind of stretched, so it's not slammed right now. I like to keep my tire pressure at about 70 psi and bars just slightly back, not straight up and down. My favorite trick's a turn down, and it's also the trick that took me the longest to learn. I actually got that from my buddy as a gift, and I've sported it, and it's saved my ears several times. I'm 20 years old. I've been riding for about 6 or 7 years. My sponsors are Redline Bikes, DC Shoes, OGO Bags, Epic Ride Shop, and Team Soil.